Hello, I'm Teacher Aki, and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and like the videos. Thank you. Today, we will study about things in the laundry room. Are you ready? Washing machine. Washing machine. Laundry detergent. Laundry detergent. Fabric softener. Fabric softener. Laundry basket. Laundry basket. Laundry. Laundry. Wash basin. Wash basin. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. Mouthwash. Mouthwash. Dental floss. Dental floss. This time, repeat after me. Are you ready? Washing machine. Laundry detergent. Fabric softener. Laundry basket. Laundry. Wash basin. Toothbrush. Toothpaste. Mouthwash. Dental floss. Great job! You did it! Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like this video. Have a great day.